Hello everyone, good day to you all. My name is Yui. I'm learning Athena Certified Basic Network or ACBN. Today I will perform case study 1, Computer Management in Business, Part 1. Okay, so the topic today is one system has three computers, one access point and one printer. Uh, the IT department has the following need. Install OS monitor on computer A as a host. Install the OS monitor agents on a computer B and C as a client. And next is monitor the activity of a computer B and C from computer A. And the last one is a generate report. Okay, so we have a diagram here. So it's quite small. It is a small system. Okay, let's see how it goes. So here we have three machine here, three virtual machine here. So we have this system already on the same lane now. So let's check one more time before we launch the software. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 192, 168, 10.8, and this one is this one is okay, as you can see here, 192, 168.10.10, and here the last machine is also the same. Okay, 192, 168.10.9. So for on all three machine, I have installed the software in here. So now I will launch the software. So this is for the trial. So this version is limits to maximum three computer and 3 hour section per launch. Okay, so let's see here. This is the host IP on the top. So now we need to launch the software from two machine. So it will be in here, I believe. So let's start again. Mhm. Okay, maybe we need to reinstall again. Let's see, reinstall all three. So it just hit next. So this is the yeah, so this is the agent. So I just choose the agents. Oh, it's already launched. So we just check again. No. Okay, looks like it have some issue in here. So I will uninstall it and let me reinstall it again. Okay, yes to all. Right, the same in here. Okay, same in here. Uninstall. No need to keep this. Okay, good. Let's install again. Okay, so this is .10.8. So this is for the host. So I will correct it again. 8. Okay, create shortcut. Install again. Finish. So, okay, so you can see here we have one in here. So, let me install this also. So, of course, I choose the client. Oh, sorry. 10, 8. Okay. Okay, as we can see here, so there are two monitor, two new PC that's already added and connected. So as you can see here, they have the same name because this virtual machine is actually the clone's virtual machine, and I don't want to change the computer name, but we can identify them by a different MAC address and also the different IP in here. Okay, so for the live monitoring, so uh, can do a couple of tasks in here. So let's see. So right click on this. So we have a several tasks. First is a live screen view. So just like on the right, we can see exactly uh, what is the computer showing. So let's have a look here. You can see here, right? So let me doing some interact on this machine. Like open the store, the Microsoft store in here, as you can see here. Or we can just open the file at Explorer or to open everything and anything we want. Okay, so that is a live screen view. So next is we can do a remote desktop, just like a no normal remote. So let's try. Okay, click remote desktop. Just like this here. Here we can interact directly. S- We don't need to change between these machine. We can interact directly. Yeah, and here install everything on the host machine. Okay, let's disconnect it. So let's change to the bottom machine. So you can see here, as we can see here, we can also send the message, hello, just like that. Hit the send button. Just right here. Here, just type something. How are you? Yeah, yes, you can see here. Okay. Uh, okay. So we can check the installed program, the running process, the system information. We can remote restart, remote shutdown, or assist the client means log out the account, uninstall client, uninstall the client from install the client remotely. Mm, right. So let's try to check the uninstall program. What we have here? Okay, so we have a list of the installed program. So So as you can see here, we have Microsoft Edge, Microsoft have Viewer, Microsoft SQL Virtual C, or the report service. So let's check whether this thing have correct or not, have the correct list or not, right here. hmm So as you can see here, we have virtual tool for applications. Yeah, right. These have this Studio, OneDrive, Viewer, Microsoft, just like that. Okay, so let's check for the system informations. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether it's correct or not. As you can see here. Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe it's in here. Yeah, it's one. It's here. Two disk. Okay, right. So let's try to restart remotely. Remote restart. Also here, if we shutting down or exit the client, keep the startup. Let's try. Okay, so which means it's a exit the software. So I will enable again, open it again. hmm Open it again to see. Right. Okay, so that's good. Right. Let's see what can we do next? Binding historical log, no resource file, historical log. hmm Okay, we can see here. Can see all the catalog in here, all the software, all the process that we have open and interacting here. So let's see file activity. So as you can see here, the check log, we don't have a check log. So the screenshot. So we can also export to the Excel. We can see the hit history of this, whether it's it interact when it's showing. Okay, so you want to oh in case you want to export all the result, so we can choose export to Word. Oh, please install it before continue. So because it doesn't have any office on this virtual machine, so I do it here. OS monitor, OS monitor, report. Yeah, report. Because this one doesn't have office, so I will choose HTM. Let's see. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the report. All right. Okay, so let's see. Uses analytic. So We can also, I believe we can also export this. Let's see. Report two. Okay, so now we have more informations here. There are two. Group one is only the table. This one also have a chart in here. Okay, so that's how we monitoring the all the client machine on the same on the same site on the same site like we are an IT department, so we can observe observe all the computer um, from accountant, from sales, from HR, or any department in the company. So this is just a trial version. So if you want to buy a phone subscription, you can hit order in here. So it have three free trials. So for just for the small company. Okay, so let's see how much does it cost. So as you can see here, we have a one time. So which means you only need to pay one time. So for the most of my company that I observe is about 50 to 100. Mhm. So the price not so it's not so expensive. It's quite it's quite cheap for this prices. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I will see you in the next one.